Hey y'all, welcome to Megan's Wreath Boutique. Today I want to show y'all how I put together this super cute acrylic name tag for any type of bag. You can put it on any type of bag for sports or like a diaper bag, anything like that. So let's get into it and see how I put it together. So the first thing I'm going to start with is cutting the soccer ball laces out. I'm just using permanent vinyl here and my Cricut to cut out the soccer ball. And I just used a circle template on Design Space to make the soccer ball the same exact size as my acrylic name tag. I'll link all the items down in the description below. I got these name tags from Hobby Lobby. And so I'm just placing the vinyl soccer ball on the name tag with transfer tape. So you can do any sport. This is just the sport my daughter plays, so I'm doing a soccer ball. And next I will be doing or cutting out her name. Again, you can use any color vinyl you prefer. This is just what I had on hand and what I thought would look cute. So I just cut out her name and then I'll be placing it over the black soccer ball, again using permanent vinyl. Look how cute that already looks. You don't have to paint the back side of it, but I decided to, and I just went with white just to kind of make the name pop a little better. And I don't know why, but for some reason my phone kept cutting off when I was making these videos, so it's kind of cut in weird areas, like it didn't get me painting the first layer of the white, but here's the second layer. I'm just using chalk paint, and I kind of let the first layer dry, and then I'm just going in and filling in the patchy areas that still need a little more paint. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is pick out the ribbon you want to use. You can use any colors, any different sizes of ribbon. Any variety you pick is perfectly fine. I like to lay everything out to see kind of what looks good together, and before I get started adding ribbon to any of my projects actually. So I'm going to be cutting the ribbon in 18-inch pieces, and I fold them over, you'll see here in a second, so they only come out to be about 9 inches long once it's added to the actual name tag. But I just suggest that you hold up your name tag where it's going to be placed on whatever type of bag you're using, and just kind of hold up some ribbon underneath that name tag just to kind of get an idea of how long you need to make your ribbon in order to make it look like you want it to look when it's hanging on your bag. So the ribbon I'm working with right now has kind of like a sticky backing to it. So I'm just attaching it to the blue ribbon just so I can take that backing off of it. And so I'm thinking it might be a little more flowy without that backing on it. I picked it up from the Dollar Tree. It's actually pretty cool ribbon. I like the glittery aspect of it. I just didn't realize it was sticky on the back. So yeah, I'm just going through each ribbon and cutting 1 to 2 pieces at 18 inches long, and then I'll go back and add them to the name tag. Also, I wanted to mention, be mindful when you're cutting your ribbon at a specific length or how much you choose to decide to use, because this decorative ribbon, it does add up pretty quick. So if you're making this item to be an item that you sell, you definitely want to be mindful of the type of ribbon you're using and how much you're using, because it does add up pretty quick. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making the holder for the name tag, and for this I'm just going to be making it exactly how I make my bracelets. I'm using a stretchy cord, and I just added soccer balls to the cord, tied it in a knot, and now I'm going to add the ribbon to the soccer ball holder. This step is a little tedious, so pack your patience when you're working with all this ribbon. I found it a little hard to add the ribbon without having to constantly adjust the other ribbon and keep everything in order. So just keep that in mind when you're working this step with the ribbon. Okay, so I'm going to just bunch all the ribbon up together, make sure everything is facing the right direction and is in a good spot that I like it, and I'm going to tie it just to keep everything in place. Be sure to go through and make sure all of your ribbon is about the same length. If not, cut off whatever excess ribbon you need to, and you can burn any of the ends of the ribbon that might be fraying. Once you have that done, you're going to want to add your name tag on top of your ribbon, and I'm using these sticky zip tie holder things. I've used these a few times in some of my other videos, and they work really great for attaching signs, or in this case name tags, to the ribbon. So I'm just going to add an extra layer of security by putting some hot glue on the back of that sticky pad, and then I'm just going to run some of that stretchy cord through the holder and tie it to the ribbon. And then that's pretty much it. You just adjust the ribbon, make sure everything looks the way you want it to, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks again for watching.